Hello. Hi there. Some people call me Ian. Some people call me Baylor. Some people call me other things that I won't mention here. But today, I am trying to put something together because it seems a little disorganized, and there's a tool out there that makes this easier to do. What I'm talking about is signing up for a game of one-page rules online. And the people in the TTRPG community have mostly figured this out. There's some systems that haven't, but the system that I play the most in, which is Pathfinder and Starfinder, they have it figured out when it comes to the online community. They have the same quote unquote problems that everyone else does, which is like you see postings on a Discord channel, or you see postings on a Facebook group or a Reddit thread, or one of those things. And the problem with that is it'll be like, hey, I'm in Seattle and I play at this game store. Cool to see somebody out there. Or, hey, I'm in Switzerland and I play on Thursdays at the local pub, or whatever the thing is, right? But you're just throwing it out there in the internet and hoping that someone in Switzerland near that pub or someone in Seattle that's on your side of town that can make it on whatever that day, right? So this is for people that are just online entirely. What I'm talking about is warhorn.net. Warhorn.net is a fantastic service. It is designed specifically for game signups, mostly around tabletop RPGs, but it can be put around into a one for wargaming just as well. You'll do 40K on here sometimes, but I just made one for one-page rules. I just made it just now. So one-page rules. I'm not going to talk about what they are. If you're watching this video, you probably know who they are. So they're awesome. Go check them out. Links in everywhere. So speaking of links, this is the page right here. So you'll come here, and you got a brief description of everybody's favorite games right here. Pick your flavor. All the links to the right things. Shout out to Warboss Fitz. I loved your video on how to get set up. This was super easy. His focus in this video is mainly on Grimdark Future, but you could easily adapt this to Aegis Fantasy with using the same tools. So um, up to you. You can use the same models. You can use different models. Like for example, I like Ratman clans, and there is no thing for Ratman clans, so I had to use a different army that starts with the letter S for my Ratman clans, which is fine. But so functionally, it still works and gives me my little stat blocks, and I love it, and it's great. So, love that video. Still works great. Go check it out. Now, about this. How do you use this? Okay, so I'm going to make one right now so that, and explain why I'm doing what I'm doing so you can see what I'm doing. It's very simple. First, you just click on this event and you register for the event. It's set up so that when you click on it, you will automatically be registered and you'll automatically be approved. You don't have to wait on anything else. You can immediately start doing things. Exactly what I'm doing. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to manage and you're going to go to schedule. And you probably won't see this because I'm going to make one right now, but let's go ahead and do that. And so then this is it. It's pretty simple. It's pick your day and your time. I'm going to pick Thursday. Pick your time zone. Pick your time zone because the viewer, whoever's looking at this, they're going to see it in their time zone. They're not going to see it in your time zone unless you guys are in the same time zone. But it doesn't matter, right? So whatever you as a viewer, you're looking at the game that's posted, it's going to be in your time zone. As long as you set your account up correctly, so do it right. So I don't know how long this game is going to last, but I'll just leave it at 4 hours. Put out block a 4-hour thing. So we'll just see. I'm going to put it up for starting at 10 o'clock. 4 hours. That'll work, so I can get off at 2. Perfect. Okay. 10 a.m. on the 27th, Thursday. Great. All right. So now I've got a slot. Woohoo. All right. Now that I have a slot, I'm going to go click on this. I can add more slots to this day if I want to. Another one, if you do new session is going to let you do all the things all at once, which maybe that's what you want to do, and that's fine. But anyway, I'm going to click on 10 to 2 now that I've created that, and now I'm going to create a session. All right, so content. What are you playing? You're not gonna be putting like your army in or any of that kind of stuff, right? So I set this up over here. I put all of these in. So you've got your Age of Fantasy, your large battles, your quests, your regiments, your skirmish. You got your firefight, regular Grimdark Future, Star Quest, War Fleets. All right. Each of these you can see has a little abbreviation at the front. AOF, GFF, whatever, for whatever thing you want. Okay. So look at these right here, or if you just type in GF or AO, you'll probably find it. All right. So I'm going to try out my new rat army. So I'm going to put in GF, Grimdark Future. Perfect. All right. So now I speak English, so I'm leaving that the way it is. And I'm just going to click next. I've already got my time slot selected. So if you had picked new session instead on that earlier screen, this is where you would fix that right there. The only real big difference between those two, other than doing all at the same time, is that the new session one allows you to pick 15-minute increments to start and stop, whereas this version only lets you do half-hour increments. I don't know why. Don't ask me. I don't know. All right, so this is where you can change it. So right now I have it set to just do this thing, to just copy this right here. So if I'm fine with that, I can do that. If you want to add some more information, like you want to tell them I'm running rats, I'm running whatever, you can do that. Let your opponent know what you're bringing if you want to do that or not. Up to you. So if you want someone to know something, whether they're signed up or not, you put it in that spot. Hello, this will be my first online game. Okay. Next, will be played online. Leave that checked because that's what we're doing, right? Number of tables 1, maximum players 2. Okay. Enable the use of GMs. Uncheck that. There's no game master here. Uncheck it. Enable public listing so someone else can sign up if they want to. Enable waitlisting. So the cool thing about this is, let's say that I post this game, I put myself in there, someone else joins, and then 3 other people are like, I want to play. They can sign up, and then if I drop or the other person that signed up first drops, it'll automatically just pull those people in the wait list, and then it'll shoot them an email so they know that they're up. It's their time to go. So there we have it. So you want public listing on, you want waitlisting. Public listing just to like get it out there in the ether so anybody can see it. But if you like uncheck this, then people were still registered for the event and clicked on the schedule, they could still find it. So if you want to reduce the amount of visibility, I guess you could do that, but I don't. Just leave it public. It's fine. Next. It's just going to double check all the things you said. Yes. And again, the reason you don't want a game master is because the way the formatting of Warhammer works is it's going to have a separate sign up, and it's going to put one person as the game master and then the attendees differently. So just have everybody be an attendee because there's only 2 slots for attendees, so it's just you versus that person. So don't do game master. Publish. All right. So now that it is published, I'm going to close that. I'm going to click on this, and now I've got this. So I'm going to sign myself up as an attendee. Bella. All right. Voice and chat services. This is where, so any of these you can add this. So virtual tabletop. They don't have that. They don't have tabletop simulator in here that we normally would use. So I could put tabletop simulator. And then I can put the link in there if I wanted to. notes, blah blah blah, whatever, right? Where are you playing this? I'm planning on throwing it on the OPR Discord, so I'll be gonna put a link in there for that. External links, if I had links to other things, maybe want to show off my army. I could put that in there. Just literally any link you want to put in there, you can put in there. When I do RPG stuff, that's like the sign up sheet. So if you want like a copy of the Chronicle sheets or whatever, that's what I usually use that for. But for this, you'd probably find to leave it blank. So, lastly, last thing, very important. Once you have this, and you want to say, hey, you should sign up for my game. If you have this manage selected right here, it's not going to work. Not going to work. When you click on this link up here, don't do it. You want to go to about. About. Now the about. Now anyone and their mama can sign up for this. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to post that game in the OPR Discord in the Play Online section. See if I get a hit. Great if I do. If not, oh well. I'm going to put this video there as well so people can see how to use this. I think this is just one of those tools that once people start using it and seeing how easy it is to use, I think you know, we'll have more games to play, which is what we all want, right? I think I see a lot of people because it's because the scheduling monster is always the biggest monster, has the uh, highest AC and highest saves, as I used to say in RPGs, uh, because no one wants to do it. It's goes out of what you normally are thinking about and trying to do all the time. So this simplifies it. You post a game for the day and time that you're available. And if someone signs up, great. You guys play a game. If they don't, well, then they don't. And then eventually, when we get enough people using this, then you can filter through and see there's already a game happening with people. And then maybe if you find your rival, oh, he's playing at that time or she's playing at that time, I'm going to fight them. I want to fight that guy. You can do that because you're going to see their username. So that's that. There it is. That's all I've got for you. I might add more to this. This is just more quick and dirty how to use the Warhorn and how to do things. If you have questions, please leave them down in the comment. I will read them. I will respond to them. And if there's something broken or not working properly, let me know. I will fix it. Again, I am not, I don't work for OPR or anything like that. I just like the game a lot and had a lot of fun playing it with my boys, friends and neighbors and things like that. And I'd like to play more online and test out different armies that I don't have printed out on my 3D printer. So this would be a cool way to do that. So anyway, hope you like that. Give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe, all those things. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Where is it? It's right there.